Welcome back to the stables. I'm Vinny, and today we are back at the Stables Lodge development to check out this pre-owned prestige Skylark lodge. Now, with every lodge on the development, we have a 2-car parking bay and electric charger. From this, we head onto our resin path and up to the lodge. Now, before we step inside, come and check out this amazing decking. First, we're going to go past your sunken hot tub, super easy to get in and out of, and nice and secluded with the privacy shade going around. And a really great space out the front with your curved decking, glass balustrades, and a really great space to entertain or just sit out in the sun and relax. As we come through your main door, it's a really nice space to just kick off your shoes, hang up your coats, and we do have this great cupboard that houses your boiler, your washer dryer, and plenty of storage space. Behind us, we'll come to the kitchen. Every appliance that you could want, large fridge freezer, built-in microwave, oven with the grill function, and the wine cooler below. This side, we've got your gas hob, a dishwasher all built in, and we've upgraded this lodge to have the porcelain sink and the instant boil cooker tap. And it's a really sociable layout with the kitchen in the position that it is. You can still be with the family and together as a family whilst you're cooking away. Let's take you into the living area. So we've got a big corner sofa, plenty of seating for everyone, and this is a pull-out sofa bed as well. So this sleeps up to 8 people. And so much room in this lodge, a perfect space to be with the whole family, to entertain, have friends over. It couldn't get better than this. And over to your dining space, a really nice area to sit back with the family, have a meal together, and look at the rolling hills. Through the dividing door from your lounge, we first come to your twin bedroom. Now, this is one of 2 twin bedrooms. You've got full-size single beds being 3 foot wide, television point already with the television up on the wall, and a nice sized wardrobe, so you've got plenty of storage. Past your master bedroom, which we'll show you in a moment, we've got the family bathroom, full-size bath, overhead rainfall effect shower, basin with storage, and your toilet. Then through to the second twin bedroom, an exact mirror of what we've just seen. And through to your master bedroom, this has got a super king bed, plenty of storage, lots of windows bringing in natural light, and again, across from the television, as well as your own dressing area. So a really nice spot to get ready for those evenings out. We also have your sliding doors. Now this hides away your wardrobe, which is a really great space, some shelving, hanging, and floor space, as well as your very own full ensuite shower room. And inside of here, we've got the toilet, basin, some great storage, and a large walk-in shower with a rainfall head. The previous owners have moved into their new lodge, meaning this is available to view right now. If you'd like to find out more or check all of this out in person, including the park, give us a call on 01 305 836 836 or click the link below.